There is a $2 bottle sitting in almost every bathroom cabinet in America that solves 16 separate household problems most people have never connected to it. Rubbing alcohol, the same bottle bought for basic first aid and mostly forgotten about, quietly handles cleaning, stain removal, deodorizing, and maintenance tasks that people routinely buy specialty products for instead. Most of these uses have nothing to do with first aid at all, which is exactly why they get overlooked sitting in a cabinet reserved in most people's minds for cuts and scrapes. Today we are covering all 16 uses, and several of them will genuinely surprise you. Welcome to Vault Breaker. This is where we dig up practical knowledge that gets buried under aisles of specialty products you do not actually need. If this list helps you, subscribe and ring the bell right now, because this channel finds the cheap solution hiding behind expensive marketing every single week. Number 1, streak-free glass and mirror cleaning. Spray rubbing alcohol directly onto glass or mirrors and wipe with a lint-free cloth. And it evaporates faster than water-based cleaners, leaving zero streaking behind even on humid days when other glass cleaners typically smear. This works especially well right before guests arrive, when a quick pass over every mirror in the house makes the entire home look noticeably brighter and cleaner in minutes. Number 2, cleaning phone screens and electronics safely. A cloth lightly dampened with rubbing alcohol removes fingerprints and grime from phone screens, laptop keyboards, and computer mice without the moisture risk that regular cleaning sprays carry around sensitive electronics. Number 3, removing sticker and label residue completely. Saturate the sticky residue left behind after peeling off a price tag or label, and let it sit for 2 minutes, and the adhesive wipes away completely without the scrubbing that soap and water alone requires. Number 4, deodorizing shoes and gym bags at the source. Spray the inside of shoes or a gym bag lightly with rubbing alcohol and let it air dry fully before wearing. And it kills the odor, causing bacteria directly, rather than masking the smell the way spray deodorizers do. This same method works well for cleaning the small crevices around phone camera lenses and charging ports, areas that trap grime, but are too delicate for most liquid cleaners. Number 5, cleaning makeup brushes thoroughly. Swirling brush bristles in a small dish of rubbing alcohol removes built-up makeup residue and disinfects the bristles simultaneously. And it dries faster than water-based brush cleaners, meaning your brushes are ready to use again within the hour. Number 6, removing fresh ink stains from fabric. Dab rubbing alcohol directly onto a fresh ink stain using a cotton ball, blotting rather than rubbing. And the ink lifts away from most fabric types before it has a chance to fully set into the fibers. Number 7, cleaning and disinfecting doorknobs and light switches. These are among the most frequently touched surfaces in any home, and a quick wipe with rubbing alcohol cleans and disinfects them faster than most spray cleaners, since it evaporates immediately without leaving any residue on frequently handled surfaces. Number 8, removing hairspray buildup from bathroom mirrors. The hazy film that builds up on bathroom mirrors near where you style your hair is often hairspray residue, and rubbing alcohol cuts through that buildup instantly where regular glass cleaner often just smears it around. This is particularly useful for hairspray users who notice their bathroom mirror needs cleaning far more often than the rest of the house, without realizing the actual cause. Number 9, cleaning jewelry to restore its shine. Soak most metal jewelry, excluding pearls and certain soft gemstones, in rubbing alcohol for a few minutes, then gently scrub with a soft toothbrush, and everyday grime and lotion buildup lifts away, restoring shine without harsh jewelry cleaning chemicals. Number 10, removing deodorant marks from dark clothing. Rub a small amount of rubbing alcohol directly onto white deodorant marks on dark fabric using a clean cloth, and the marks lift away almost instantly, a fix far faster than tossing the item in the wash and hoping. Number 11, cleaning windshield wiper blades for a genuinely streak-free wipe. Wipe the rubber edge of each wiper blade with a cloth dampened in rubbing alcohol, and it removes the road grime film that causes streaking, restoring nearly new wiper performance without buying replacement blades. This single wiper blade trick alone justifies keeping a bottle in your garage rather than only in the bathroom cabinet. Number 12, preventing frost buildup on car windows overnight. Mix 2 parts. Rubbing alcohol with 1 part water in a spray bottle and spritz it on your windshield the night before a cold morning, since the alcohol lowers the freezing point of the moisture on the glass and significantly reduces overnight frost buildup. This trick alone can save an entire windshield wiper replacement, which typically runs between $15 and $40 per pair depending on your vehicle. Number 13, cleaning your computer keyboard between the keys. Dip a cotton swab in rubbing alcohol and run it carefully between keyboard keys, and it lifts out built-up dust, crumbs, and grime that regular dusting or compressed air alone cannot fully remove from tight spaces. Number 14, removing crayon and dry erase marker marks from painted walls. Rubbing alcohol on a soft cloth lifts crayon wax and dry erase marker pigment from most painted wall surfaces without damaging the paint underneath. A common household fix for parents that avoids repainting an entire wall. Number 15, freshening carpet and removing lingering odors. A very light misting of diluted rubbing alcohol over a carpet, allowed to fully air dry before anyone walks on it, helps neutralize trapped odors from pets or spills at the source rather than temporarily covering the smell. This method works just as well on ceiling fan blades, another surface that collects visible dust quickly and is awkward to clean with a standard dry cloth alone. Number 16, quickly cleaning dusty blinds and vents. Wrap a cloth dampened with rubbing alcohol around a pair of tongs, or your fingers and run it along each blind slat. And dust and grime lift away in a fraction of the time that individually wiping each slat with a dry cloth requires. I want to be fully honest about a few important safety notes before you try any of these. Rubbing alcohol is flammable, so always allow surfaces to fully air dry before using any heat source nearby. And always use it in a well-ventilated area, particularly for larger cleaning tasks like carpets or upholstery. It can also damage certain finished wood surfaces and specific plastics, so it is worth testing on a small hidden area first before applying it broadly to an expensive or delicate surface. Always keep it away from open flame, pilot lights, or any heat source while the surface is still wet, since the vapor itself is flammable even before full evaporation occurs. For most everyday household surfaces covered in this list, glass, fabric, metal, and painted walls, it performs reliably and safely when used as described. A mother of two in Denver, Colorado started keeping a spray bottle of diluted rubbing alcohol specifically for daily surface wiping, phone screen cleaning, and stain removal after realizing how many separate specialty products she had been buying for tasks this one bottle handled just as well. Her monthly household cleaning product spending dropped from around $35 across several specialty sprays and wipes to under $5 using rubbing alcohol for the majority of her regular cleaning tasks. Each of these 16 applications relies on the same basic property. Rubbing alcohol evaporates quickly, dissolves oils and residues effectively, and kills odor-causing bacteria on contact, which is precisely why it shows up so often across completely unrelated household problems. None of these 16 uses require anything exotic or hard to find. The bottle has likely been sitting in your cabinet the entire time, quietly capable of far more than the label on the box ever suggested. If this list helped you, subscribe and share it with someone who has a cabinet full of specialty cleaning products they probably do not need. The next vault opens soon, and what is buried inside it has been hidden even longer than this one.